Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to fix Windows 10 and Windows 11 slow and lagging problem. So in the video today, I'll provide you with two solutions that'll go ahead and fix your PC. And after today's video, you'll be having a system that'll be running flawlessly and you'll be able to have fun again and get less laggy experiences with your computer. So with that being said, if you're interested in this, watch until the very end. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into the very first solution here. So basically for the very first solution, you're going to want to head over and go to the settings. Now you can actually have access to these settings by typing settings over here in the search. But if you don't have the search bar, then head over to the Windows icon here and right click it and then head over to settings. Now, once you're here in settings, you should see that we're currently in the system settings. Now, one of the options I want you to go to is notifications. Now here I want you to actually disable notifications. Now, notifications tend to run in the background of applications, and then they tend to actually use up a bunch of CPU usage. So it's good to actually disable them to actually have a nice flawlessly running computer. So go ahead and do that. Now, once you've done that, head over to privacy and security. Now under privacy and security, you're going to want to head over to the Windows permissions section. Now here, there's going to be a general. Go ahead and click it and then go ahead and disable all of the options here. More than likely, you already have them on, so disable them to off. Now, these are proven to actually use a bunch of CPU usage, so just go ahead and disable them. You're going to want to do the same thing for all the other options here, like speech. Here you can see there's online speech recognition. This tends to use a lot of CPU usage as well, so just go ahead and disable it. Now, once you've actually went ahead one by one to actually disable all of these, you're now going to want to head over to app permissions. Now, under app permissions, there are applications that are used on your computer. Maybe you don't use them. Something like the camera right here. Camera tends to use background, CPU usage, right? On your computer, the application might not actually be running in the background, but you can see here, camera access, you're going to want to disable. So just go ahead and disable it, and you're not going to want to have any background things running. And that moves me on to the second solution. Now, once you're done with the first solution and disabling everything right here, you're going to want to head over to the second solution. Now, that second solution is if you actually head over to the search bar and type in Task Manager. But like I said, if you don't have the search bar, head over, right click, and you should find Task Manager right below settings or right above settings. So go ahead and click it. Now here you should see all of the tasks running on your computer. Now you can actually go ahead and get rid of these process and pretty much just get rid of them by clicking End Task. Now you can see Proton VPN is one of them. So I'm going to go ahead and click End Task. Once I've done that, it's going to get rid of the task, but you can't do this one by one every time. It gets really annoying. So in order to actually go ahead and prevent any of the apps running in the background, you're going to want to head over to Startup. Now here on Startup, I'm going to go ahead and expand the screen right here. You could see that on the Startup Impact, most of these applications are on high Startup Impact. So you can see that most of them are actually enabled on my computer and they do run in the background. So if I actually start up my PC after it being off, these are going to run in the background even after I'm still on my PC, right? So you're going to want to go ahead and right click them and then click disable. Now that'll go ahead and disable the startup and it's going to go ahead and give you better CPU space and stuff. So just go ahead and do that for all these other ones. You can just actually access them just by searching them up or clicking on them again. So go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and disable them. You can see that the impact on these are high. So it's better to actually go ahead and just disable them. So disabling these won't actually just get rid of it on your computer. It'll just get rid of the startup background, right? So that's basically how you go ahead and do it. That's how you go ahead and fix slow and lagging PC. Those are two proven ways that you can actually go ahead and get a system running flawlessly again. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, hopefully you guys have an awesome day and I'll see you until next time.